Welcome to this house. Wow, 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 wow. The siren is blowing. Oh, call fire brigade. Oh, wow. For food, Fkayode is on fire. It's just running his mouth like tap. Wow. Okay, go. Hey, what no? It's really blowing hot. It's getting hot in here. Fanny is taking off his clothes. So, wow. Okay, so Tinubu's government won't take nonsense from international community that treats Nigerians like filth. Fanny Fkayode. Really? So it's the pot calling the kettle black. So it's the international communities that is treating Nigerians like filth. Tinubu and the political class that are treating Nigerians like shit, according to President Donald Trump in a shit country. They are all the way you say they are treating Nigerians like filth. At least their own filth. Oshashik fún wọn ní hope. Abi? Although none of it is good, but ó sì better ju ti ń lọ. Ẹ̀yin tí wọn as nothing, as if they are not existing, as if they are not there. But since Femi Fkayode, popularly known as For Food, Fiasco, has decided to be the defender of the universe, of the unrepentant political Boko Harams, the harassers that once harassing the people, the oppressors, the abusers, they are the killers, they are the stealers, they are the terror, they are the passion, they are the of our time. Let's find out. So, former director of special media projects and operations and new media for the Tinubu-Shettima Campaign Council in the 2023 presidential election, Femi Fkayode, has said that President self-select Bola Tinubu's administration will not take nonsense from the international community. According to Food for Fkayode, who is a former innovation minister, the international community looks down on Nigeria and Nigerians and treats Nigerians like filth and with contempt. Really? Fkayode on his Twitter handle said that President self-select Tinubu represents the new African leader that will not genuflect. Ọmọlábí ìwé la rí o. Genuflect tó túmọ̀ sí pé self-select President Tinubu will not lower his own body briefly by bending on one knee to the ground, typically in worship or a sign of respect. So, genuflect. Because Fkayode says Tinubu is not going to genuflect, which translates that lowering one's body briefly by bending one knee to the ground, typically in worship or as a sign of respect, That is to say, Tinubu ò ní respect, kò ní shake, kò ní gbọ̀n, no giri, no shaking, kò ní tremble or quiver before those leaders and nations that believe that they are superior to ours, and those that share the erroneous and obnoxious view that Nigerians particularly and Africans generally are unlettered barbarians that are inferior to them. But that is exactly what you people are. That is exactly what you people are. Tó bá jọun la fi ń wéhùn. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá wà barbaric, wọ́n ní fi barbarians lọ yìí náà. Wọ́n ní fi kí ló mí pé Fani ó fẹ́ kó yà jẹ Tinubu torí ẹ̀pọ̀n Tinubu. Hell, ẹ̀pọ̀n Tinubu ọwọ́ wọn ló wà tí wọ́n bá squeeze ẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ̀yin àwọn torí pé kí ni Tinubu ó ti yàgbẹ́ sábọ́. Tinubu ó ti ṣẹ̀gbin sí wọn lọ́wọ́. So they are using that to hold him to ransom. Jọ respect wo ló fẹ́ kàn fún wa? President kò ní identity. Politically kò qualify all the conditions even in your country's constitution kò fulfill wọn. This is somebody that thinks is over and above the law. Tinubu ó ti lọ ìlú wọn, ó ti lọ ṣu sábọ́. Tinubu tí wọ́n ń gbèjà yìí drug lord ni. Tinubu tó ń gbèjà yìí tó ń sọ pé kò ní bẹ̀rẹ̀, kò ní tẹ̀, kò ní jókòó, kò ní ṣú. Ọ̀dọ̀ international communities ló ti ń lọ gbà láfíà o. Àwọn náà gbèrò o. Àwọn náà wíwà láyé Tinubu lẹ́ni international community ní o. Dídúró sórí àga yẹn dẹ̀ ní international community ní o torí pé kí ni wọ́n fẹ́ lò fún kíni ti tara wọn torí wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹ̀pọ̀n ẹ̀ wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn. Tó bá squeeze ẹ̀ báyìí ó máa fọ́ ni. So Tinubu will be dancing to their tune. They are holding him to ransom to their own advantage. That being said, síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà ètò ìjọba tẹ́ ń lò. This so-called governance tẹ́ ń lò. All your tears of àwọn ni wọ́n ní ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ló ti originate wá o. Ẹ̀yin photocopy lẹ́yìn o. A terrible copy of the photocopy. Àwọn gọ́gọ́ l'original. Àwọn tó original gọ́gọ́ tó ní wọ́n ṣèjọba ìbẹ́yìn ṣe ń ṣe o. Àwọn lọ̀gá yín o. Mo ṣe bí láwò kí n ga jọ nírè lọ. Àwọn nọ́ọ̀mà tí wáyé olúùnàgún yín o. Ẹni bá ti mà ti wáyé olúùnàgún ni ó mà ti lọ ẹ̀. Torí ní ìsìn food for Fkayode òun fapájá ní òun fẹsẹ̀ halẹ̀. Òun bú ramúramù dẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ mìíràn họ́. Dẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ mìíràn họ́. Tó wá sọ pé that President Tinubu represents the new African leader. New African leader wo lórí kíni? Is he a leader? Is torí pé wọ́n fi ṣe rotational ECOWAS kí wọ́n fi jẹ ní ECOWAS náà. Tó jẹ́ pé at any particular point ìtàmú nígbà tí wọ́n bá gbá Tinubu bọ́ọ̀tà tí ò sí tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá wà níbẹ̀ náà ni ó mọ̀ ṣe ECOWAS lọ. Tó wá sọ pé ní African leader that will not genuflect, shake, tremble, quiver before those leaders and nations that believe they are superior to. Yes, wọ́n superior. Wọ́n superior because àṣà wọn lẹ̀ ń kọ́. Ìṣe wọn lẹ̀ ń kọ́. Copycat lẹ́yìn lè dánúrò. Ìjọba ìṣèlú yín. Òṣèlú tẹ̀ ń ṣe àwọn náà ní. Dá ní nǹkankan. Báwo ni photocopy ṣe máa wá fi pé òun original lòun. bá ṣe photocopy jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Photocopy ni yín, you will always be photocopy. So kí wá ni? Àwọn tí wọ́n rí yín tán, wọ́n rí yín ju báwa aráàlú kan bá ṣe rí yín lọ. Àwọn ọ̀gá yín mà ní ọjọ́ wọn lẹ́ẹ̀ máa ti kọ́ṣẹ́ kẹ́ tó go rogue. Wọ́n sọ wípé kí ló sọ? And of nations with that Nigerians particularly and Africans are unlettered. Ẹ wọ unlettered now. Ṣé Tinubu kàwé ni? Barbarians. Ṣé ìwọ Fkayode, aren't you a barbarian? Aren't you unlettered? Ṣé ẹ wà inferior sí wọn ni? Ẹ wà inferior sí wọn now. Tẹ́ bá wà inferior sí wọn ni. Ọgbà táwọn fẹ́ ṣèjọba àti tiwọn, ṣé wọ́n wá sílùú wa? Ṣé wọ́n wá campaign fún wa? Ṣé bí ẹ máa lọ síbẹ̀ gbogbo ilẹ̀ lọ sí kíná pẹ̀lú what's the name of that house in England? Tẹ́ ẹ lọ canvas, tẹ́ ẹ lọ sọ pé nǹkan báyìí lẹ máa ṣe. Ńgbà tí Tinubu dẹ̀ lọ, Tinubu kò ní nǹkan kan sọ, ó delegate ni. Ó ní kí Rufai máa sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ní kí Gbajabiamila kó máa sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ní kí Gbá kó máa sọ̀rọ̀. Tí ìfìrọ̀ sí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Tí ìfìrọ̀ sí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn máa tún rẹ̀. Kí ló tún sọ? Wọ́n tún máa lanu gbàgbà. Bí ilẹ̀kùn ẹran jẹ́. Àdàràdà. Náà máa sọ̀rọ̀. He said, there is nothing more beautiful, powerful, and inspiring than a confident, strong, educated, courageous, and enlightened Nigerian who knows and appreciates the rich and noble history of his people and the great heritage that they derive from. Okay. Padà wá síbẹ̀. Ó yá, kí ló tún sọ? Under this new dispensation, we have a leadership. Leadership that will brook no nonsense from those in the international community that looks down on Nigerians and that treat our people like filth and with contempt. Báwo lẹ̀yin ṣe ń treat àwọn people yìí? Ńgbà tó máa sọ ní there is nothing more beautiful, powerful, inspiring than a confident, strong, educated, courageous, and enlightened Nigerian who knows and appreciates the rich and old history of his people and the great heritage that they derive from. But even in Nigeria, ṣe fàyè gbà gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ yóò beautiful, but ṣe fàyè gbà. Ṣé jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn thrive? Ṣé jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wá empowered? Ṣé jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn feel powerful? As in the confident ones, the educated ones, the courageous, the really enlightened ones. Gbogbo wọn ti bá brain drain. Wọ́n ti bá brain drain cause. So that's the diaspora. Every tí wọ́n ṣe ń perform beautifully all over the world. Every tí wọ́n ṣe ń perform, every tí wọ́n ṣe ń function because the environment, were conducive enough for them to thrive, for them to feel powerful, for them to feel beautiful, for them to be inspired, for them to be confident, to be strong, to be educated, to be the very best version of themselves. Ṣé provide gbogbo yẹn. Ṣé provide gbogbo yẹn fún wọn ní Nàìjíríà. Torí ó kín sókè sí bí ẹran sísan. Ó ń sunkún bí ẹran iléyá tí wọ́n so mọ́lẹ̀ tó rọ̀bẹ̀. When you're under this new dispensation, we have what leadership? What leadership? That will brook no nonsense from those in the international community that look down on just any you the likes of food for Fkayode. And you go on and they come and look down on Nigerians. Because of people in diaspora, right? They have to prove themselves 1,000 times. to get whatever, to show that, yes, I am capable, I am competent in every aspect for a particular position, for a particular job, before they can get it. And the way you people are behaving at home, the way you people are tongue lashing to people, the way you are even treating the people at home, you are even making it harder for people. And yet, Nigerians are resilient people. To throw a subsidy to Nigerians, no motor. They will invest wheelbarrow. That is how resourceful they are. One lanu on sorrow. So leadership on that. And you will treat the Nigerians like filth. Treating them with contempt. The worst type of hate is self-hate. And the worst type of lie is self-lie. You lying to yourself. You hating yourself. You people so much hate the masses. You're lying. This is you lying right here. You guys don't even want to take any responsibility for whatever way you've acted, for whatever way you've treated the masses. Take any part of the blame. Nígbà tí àwọn tó bá wá sọ pé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe báwa náà ṣòṣèlú, báwa náà ṣèjọba lù wá. Fi tọmọnìyàn sí. After all, this system that is failing, this governance system that is failing in Nigeria, there are thousands of countries using the same system and they are thriving. What is wrong? What is wrong? Ẹ̀yin lẹ dá lóru pọ̀ mọ́ ṣàpá. Ẹ̀yin lẹ sọ́jà múlùmọ́lá. Ṣekú ṣẹyẹ. You are just mix matching. Taking what pleases you, what suits your selfish, self-centered thirst. Nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe nìyẹn náà. And you go and treat Nigerians like a nobody. I want to teach her with filth and so-called content. Then she treat it better. No matter where you are in the world, as long as you are a Nigerian, you will know that you have a strong and confident government and a caring and bold, strong. Excuse me, come again. Oh, you're just pretty shite. This is shite. No matter where you are in the world, as long as you are a Nigerian, you will know that you have a strong and confident government. Legit. Femi Abikilu, oti yawere ni. Sho oti kuri ni. Kill me by you have a strong and confident government. What government? I need legitimate government. Government wo tó jẹ́ pé gbà tó lọ sí Paris, kò lè function kò tó wọn bí aláyé ẹ̀dá kó fojú hàn. Ṣé òun lè pè ní government? And a caring and bold president who will do all he can to protect you and fight for who? This is a self-serving, self-centered son of the gun that doesn't care about anybody but himself. He's fighting for who? Do you know the pounds? 1 pound to 1 naira is over 1,000 naira now. The euro to 1 naira, 1 euro to 1 is over. It's getting closer to 1,000 now. And you're saying, protect, fight for who? What are you talking about? Confident government and a caring, bold president who will do all he can to protect. Has he protected the people at home? What is he doing about the state of the security of lives and properties at home? He cares. This guy is just 2 months in office. And there's Shegeton, there's Iyaton, there's Walaton, there's Sovereignton. People are suffering. People are dying. En masse, a lot of children are going to drop out of school. We are just talking about the higher institutions. Now the secondary schools, they are just cutting it tighter and tighter. And the primary school is non-existent. The secondary school system is now gone. The tertiary system is hardly existing. And you're saying you have a strong, confident government and a caring, bold president who will do all he can to protect and fight for you and your interests when faced with injustice or discrimination. You've just made it worse. Now, Nigerians will be searched at airports. Oh my God, they will be treated like dogs. You have a drug lord as your president. That in itself. Oh my God. And you're saying faced with injustice or discrimination. That, in my view, is one of the most important things President Tinubu brings to the table. He brought nothing to the table. This is somebody that said that when he was campaigning that petrol will go to 200. Call off for Kambale. You people should just chill. Now petrol is almost going to 1,000. He has nothing to offer. He doesn't have anything in place. He's only given the few selected people that is using as human shield. He's only buying them. He said what money cannot do, more money will do. He's buying them so that they can't impeach him, so that they can't be against him. He's just sharing money, giving them money. That is what he's doing, building his human shield. Because he doesn't want to go. He doesn't care about the masses. He doesn't care about the masses now. You food for Fkayode, you want to right now. He brought nothing to the table. Table to crumble. Table to kaput finally. If anything, na violence in bringo. If you are looking for violence and suffering headquarters, na for Aso Rock Tinubu, you go get am. Table to kaput. Excuse me. It includes honor. He doesn't have it. None of you guys have it. Strength. In what? Self-respect. It doesn't have it. Dignity. Dignity. Fortitude. No. Resilience. No. Faith in God. Tinubu doesn't have faith. He has faith in man. Yakubu is his God. Now he gave Yakubu money. And Yakubu put in there. So what are you saying? And ourselves. And an appreciation of who we really are. And the wonderful innovations and contributions we have to offer the world. Excuse me. Femi, Oriel, babe. Showing got to say, oh my God. Well, I am not disappointed. Well, you're all weather. You almost solo. Lo sewaju. Watu solo saying. She really to say, Oriel, babe. Now, he walk out to show his slumber. He brought nothing to the table. Self-respect. Mbo, koni, dignity. Kosile na totolong pin. Faith in God. Ele to say, ofikobani. If anything, well, file Tinubu, ọmọ wọn ló wà, nǹkan tó máa fi mú nìyẹn. Wo, tó ń kó, ó máa kó, ìyà tẹ́ ń pa, ó kò jẹ́ pé mẹ̀kúrù ló máa forí fàjò ni. Torí tó bá dá pa báyìí, ìwọ ti sá lọ, ó náà ti sá lọ France, gbogbo yín máa sá lọ. Nígbà tí kìíní tó bá capuch, gbogbo yín máa sá lọ. Ẹ wá fi the masters sílẹ̀. Àbí, ohun tó dá wọlé. Nǹkan tó dá wọ̀ yìí náà. Rádaràda. Ẹ ṣáà dákẹ́. ẹ má fi rádaràdẹ tí ẹ má fi shit old country, shit old people. Ẹ má àwọn èèyàn yín nǹkan tètè ń ṣe sáwọn èèyàn yín káwọn slave masters wọn ṣe tó báyìí. This is man inhumanity to fellow human being. This is horrible. Femi is horrible. Bàbá ẹ̀ á máa turn in his grave, but apple doesn't fall far from the tree. That is Femi for you. Talking nonsense. International community. Torí pé nǹkan tó sọ òfin because they call a spade, because àwọn gan wò pé ẹ̀yin people yẹ láyà àwọn masses yìí wọ́n máa gọ̀ wọ́n foolish o wọ́n dẹ̀ wò yín. Wọ́n lè stick wọ́n lè stomach ẹ̀ mọ́ náà ṣe sọ. Ẹ rò pé wọ́n máa gbẹ̀yìn wọ́n máa fọwọ́ ra yín lórí tó jẹ́ pé àwọn náà ní system wọn. Ẹ̀yin photocopy lẹ́yìn. Ẹ wá ń ṣe báṣubàṣu. Ẹ ń ṣe báṣabàṣa. Funny enough, Tinubu ti wà ní diaspora at one point or another. Tó tẹ̀ yẹ kó rí ẹ̀ pé mo discover pé most of these people treating the people badly are returning diasporans. Tó ti wà exposed tó yẹ kí wọ́n ti okay bó ṣe yẹ kó rí ní bó ṣe àwọn gan náà wọ́n make it worse. Àwọn gan náà reverse everything, don't spoil everything for others. Nonsense. So people, that is Femi Fkayode talking nonsense. Spooling shite. Bí àṣà àwọn Irish. I rant nonsense. So until I come your way, guys. Bye. Thanks for listening to me. Bye.